what these young bloods have to understand, that this game has always been and will always be about buckets.
Look at the sun, man. I just left the gun range, man.
Shooting shit.
Yeah.
Shooting shit up.
Yeah. For the
Now it's
first
time to go home. Shooting shit up.
shit.
I am CLB Doe, and you are now tuned in to CLB TV. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Walking in the damn mall, look, I had to go pick up some custom t-shirts.
Who gonna tell them?
Gotta get that. Gotta get that.
All right, I'll tell them. Hey, the music you make don't speak to our spirit either for the most part. That shit ain't even hip-hop, in my humble opinion. Like, is this a rollout? Do you got an album coming or something? Like, what was the purpose of even saying this shit and speaking on this shit now? You gotta have an album coming out or something. I don't understand no other reason why you would even say anything like that. Hey, will.i.am, man, just shut up, dog. Just shut up.
If nothing else, keep your jealous ass thoughts to yourself.
Oh, and I've been meaning to speak on T-Pain saying that Tupac would get ate up in today's hip-hop. Man, you smoking some of that strong. It's got to be more than weed what you smoking on, bro. You tripping.
What the fuck?
Now, what would have made more sense for you to say is the music that Tupac was dropping 25, 30 years ago still standing the test of time up against this microwave music that's being dropped today. That would have been a smarter thing to say about the whole situation, but I mean, everybody entitled to their opinion, but bro, you smoking some rocks or something.
Bass rocks, nigga.
You must have been chilling with Hunter Biden or some shit. I don't know. This is CLB Doe, and this is CLB TV. Man, these last 4 or 5 months, man, I've been on living to eat. I'm like halfway back to where I started, but that the buck stops here. I took my starting weight. I'm about to be on my weight loss journey again. I'm about to eat healthier, man. I'm about to start back exercising, man. Got a regimen. Shout out to Bunk Funk. You know, he plugged this boy. He plugged this big homie in with a cool little workout, man. I'm gonna start getting on it. You know, health is wealth, and got to start taking advantage of it, you know, and get back to taking it more seriously and kind of block out what's been having my mind all jacked up, you know, kick that to the curb, man, and start focusing on self, because at the end of the day, that's all I got. If I ain't got me, I ain't got nothing. What the hell is wrong with Mystikal? I mean, you already knew they was gonna keep him, bro. This strike 3. What is you thinking? Out of all the people in the world, we all know that a famous rapper is the last person in the world that should have to take something from a lady. You famous. You ain't even gotta be rich. You famous. You ain't gotta take no loving, bruh. So yeah, they gonna keep you. It serves you right, man. Who gon'? We can't take up for you at this point. To all my real supporters. On my way to the UPS store, dropping off the CLB package right quick, man. Make sure you go to caplightbrand.com/shop and cop you something dope. It's all dopeness there. On my way to go pod with my boy Dub, right hand of pod on H2P. We about to get back in the seat. We keep having hiccups, man, but hopefully we can get back on a regularly schedule, man. Cause yeah, it's going down, you know. But we gonna keep it. We ain't gonna let the stuff stop us from going. You know, we gonna have hiccups here and there, but you know that's things that's thrown in the game to deter us because we destined for greatness. So. You know, we're not gonna let it. You know, we already know we're not gonna let it deter us, man. And whatever happens. But hopefully, man, we can get back to like a little regularly scheduled. You know, so yeah, just stay tuned for that, man. Episode 9 coming soon. You know.
Dopeness.
My right hand of pod. We winning over here.
What's going on?
The man
We
with
in the building.
The man with the master plan there.
We in the building. Once again.
So I put a light on the floor in front of us,
Okay.
right here.
Okay.
You wanna do that?
Yeah. Oh.
Cause I don't know where
We
my
can
stand
use.
is. I
Okay.
don't know what happened to my
Let's
stand.
see. So
Unless I set it on this table.
actually, we can use that one as a key light.
Check.
More powers and numbers. Like if we all stuck together, they can't individually take us out like that.
That gotta kill us all.
Right.
I can get past you wanting to be with Nelly.
Sounds like you didn't get past that. I'm just being honest.
Listen. At the time it happens, any man
Yeah, of course.
is her.
Yeah, right.
The chick you are in love with is with this.
Country grandma.
You wanna hear how I found out?
How you found it?
Only on Drink Chat. It's on the documentary too. so
Yeah.
tune in.
How did you find out, sir?
I was at home.
And there wasn't no Twitter or Instagram back then.
I was at home. Listen to this. This is God wanted me to find out. I was at home. NBA package. I like watching sports. Oh my God, what's this commotion going on in the stadium? We just found out what the commotion is. Nelly has walked in with Ashanti.
It's funny because it's true.
Be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's get these algorithms together.
Nothing but the gangsta. Yeah, nothing but the gangsta.